17 years in this industry has taught me that the only thing that matters is how a machine stands up to the real world. Today, we are tearing down two entry-level ducted split heat pumps, the Concord 7HP14F and the Ameristar A5HP5. Both of these are single-stage basic tier units, but they are built with very different priorities in mind. The build quality is the first thing any tech notices when they walk up to the pad. The Concord 7HP14F features their Omniguard total corrosion protection and a heavy gauge steel louvered cabinet. In the field, that is what I call superior armor because it protects the aluminum coil from hail, rocks, or the neighbor's weed whacker. On the other hand, the Ameristar A5HP5 uses a wire mesh or slotted style guard. It is open to the elements, meaning those thin cooling fins are vulnerable to physical damage. If you have kids or live in a storm-prone area, that Concord cabinet is going to keep your system breathing a lot longer. When we look at the numbers and the technology, these units are neck and neck. Both use a single-stage scroll compressor, the reliable on or off workhorse of the industry. The Ameristar A5HP5 hits an efficiency of up to 16 SEER2 and an HSPF2 of around 8.1. The Concord 7HP14F sits at 14.3 SEER2 and an HSPF2 of 7.5. It is worth noting that neither of these units comes with a factory compressor blanket, so you are going to hear them when they are running. They also both utilize the new R454B low GWP refrigerant, which is the new standard we are all adjusting to in the field. Now, here's a question for you. Would you rather have a unit that is slightly more efficient on your monthly power bill, like the Ameristar, or one that is built like a tank to survive 10 years in a backyard, like the Concord? Warranty coverage is where things stay pretty standard for this tier. Both brands offer a 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty, provided you register the equipment within 60 days of installation. However, since these are basic models, you are not going to find a unit replacement guarantee. If a coil leaks or a compressor grounded out next year, the manufacturer provides the metal, but you are still paying for my time and the expensive refrigerant to get it swapped out. So, here's the verdict. If you are on a strict budget and every penny on the electric bill counts, the Ameristar A5HP5 gives you that edge in efficiency. But as a guy who has spent a lifetime fixing what breaks, I am going with the Concord 7HP14F. The physical protection of that louvered cabinet and the Omniguard coil coating are simply better suited for the abuse a residential unit takes over its lifespan. If you want to see how these stack up against the higher end variable speed models, check out the head-to-head tool on our site and don't forget to subscribe.